I'm going to show you how to fold and use a fortune teller from Usborne's Fortune Tellers to Fold. Now before we get started, if you have a blank fortune teller like one of these are complete your own. You'll want to fill in each of the blank spaces on the fortune teller on the inside and on the outside if you have one that has outside blank spaces. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is take your paper and turn it upside down so the words are facing down. Then you're going to fold it in half from top to bottom. Make sure that the edges line up. You'll crease it and open it back up. And then you're going to fold it in half side to side. Again, make sure the edges line up, crease it, and open it back up. Now you're going to fold each of these corners down to meet this center where the two fold creases meet. So take your time and do each of those. So it should look like this when you're done with that step. Now you're going to turn this over. So now we're seeing the inside, what's going to be the inside. And you're going to fold each of the corners down to the center. Just like this. Now you're going to fold this in half from the bottom to the top. Line up the edges. You'll have that fold crease in there to help you. Now if you flip it upside down, you'll notice that I have these little holes that I can put my fingers into. So I'm going to slide my fingers into these holes, my thumb and my forefinger, and then press the fortune teller together. And now I have my fortune teller. So when you're using your fortune teller, the first thing you're going to do is pick a word from the outside. We're going to pick the word what. And you're going to spell the word, opening and closing the fortune teller like so. W-H-A-T. Now you're going to pick a number from inside here. We're going to pick the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to pick another number. Let's pick the number 1. And you're going to lift that panel and read the fortune that is written underneath that panel. And that's all there is to it. Happy fortune telling.